Today we're gonna make Chipotle Street Tacos. Start by adding chipotles. 2 to 4 chipotles. I only had 2, so I had to add some sauce. Fresh or dried oregano, cumin, minced garlic, black pepper, salt, white vinegar, squeeze in 2 limes, and homemade beef broth or store-bought, and whisk it all together. What we have here is 5 pounds of pork shoulder. Cut it into pieces and put it all into the slow cooker. Be sure to include the fat because it'll give it flavor. Add the chipotle mix, add the lid, and set the temperature to low for 3 hours. Now you're going to want to flip the meat over and set the temperature to high for another 3 hours. Notice how tender the meat is. Let's make a street taco. Warm up the tortilla. Add chopped cilantro, onion, and salsa. And enjoy. Outstanding.